Going down the road. You can't miss it down here. It's on the left. Be the second turn off.
Second turn off. Got it. Boys, here we are out here lost, looking at maps, sending people out with radios. I don't know. We'll see where it goes. We're only like 10 minutes in this ride. He said, hey, you want to go to this waterfall like 10 minutes down the road? Next thing I know, we drove for 30 minutes. We don't have a clue where we're at. To the channel, guys. Today here we are, the old Black Mountain in Kentucky, out Harlan, and we're gonna do some ripping today. Maybe a nice little cruise. We ain't been out in a little while, maybe like 6 months, so we're gonna get out there. We're gonna have a good time. Jared says he's going up the waterfall. I don't know, man. I don't know. I ain't seen it in a while, so he might not.
Well, we'll see how it looks when we get there. I like to play on it at least. Maybe I don't know about actually going up it. We'll see. I don't want to break anything before the big Southern Gap Mount Mayhem event coming up.
Speaking of that, you guys, if you haven't reserved your spots, you need to go ahead and get them, because that event is going to be awesome. Okay, just straight up awesome. Go to the website. I'll put a link down in the description. Put it up on the screen here. So go check it out. Reserve your spot. Be there. We'll be there. We'll have a great time.
Yeah, should be a good time. They got several events, so you won't get bored.
I'm wearing their shirt right now. I mean, look at this.
He's that excited about it. Woo! This should be a good time for real, though.
I say we get after it. Let's get on the trails. Let's have a little fun.
Let's go.
Man, it feels so good to be back out on the trails, just ripping this little gravel road down here to this waterfall. The girls looked at the waterfall online. I'm guessing they're saying that it looks awesome online and stuff. I've never seen any pictures, so I'm excited to see what this thing looks like. And you know, if you guys haven't done so, man, show us some support. You know, we put out videos pretty regularly when we get an opportunity to. Here recently, we've been, you know, running the kids to t-balls and softball and stuff like that. But show some support. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button, man. Use the Amazon links below. I got a bunch of really good links to different parts and stuff for side-by-sides, tires, and impact drills and stuff like that, impact drivers. And, you know, show some support. Use that stuff, man. We appreciate you guys, and we enjoy being able to show you guys stuff like this. So show some support, and let's check this waterfall out. Man, this is like a real waterfall. It's pretty awesome. Pretty high up right now. Come on in, the water's fine, son.
Too cold.
Scaredy cat.
A few moments later.
I drove 3 out, 2 hours.
Oh, I got my ass wet. I'm done. know you guys can't see it quite yet, but man, this is a killer view. And I think the guys are going to play on these little cliff ledges down here in just a second. But man, just look at that view right there.
Wow, I want a picture right here. That's amazing.
First up, we got Kenneth and his KRX going to play around. He's actually got 35-inch tires. They don't look very big because these ledges are much bigger than what they look like on camera. Man, these KRXs are like little billy goats. They just climb anything. Up next, we got Jared and his RZR Pro 35-inch Roxxzillas. Let's see how he makes this look. Oh, he's getting a little sideways. Uh-oh. Let's see him try this again. That thing is a beast. Ken's going to try an alternative line here. This ledge is actually pretty big. It's really hard to tell on camera. It just doesn't do it justice for how big that ledge is, but it's a very big ledge, and this rock is very slippery. Straight! Jared's back around too. I'll tell you what, you couldn't ask for a prettier day to be out riding, just enjoying the great outdoors. Let's check out this view. Absolutely gorgeous. Well, we've traveled down to the other waterfall, the one everybody plays on their side-by-sides. It looks like Jared and Kenneth are going to play around on this thing a little bit. Let's see if they can make this or not. Way too easy. Here comes Kenneth. Let's see how he does. Not too bad. Doesn't look like it's as easy this time. Cut left. If you want to make it, you got to cut left and hit the bigger rock. Man, this spot on the waterfall, it's so difficult for people to try to go up it. You got the water down there, and the rocks are spaced out just far enough to where you can't make it on your wheelbase, no matter if you're on a short side-by-side or a long one, either one. I think the only thing I've seen go up is a big Jeep.
Jared, don't.
I think he's going to back up and try to hit the left-hand side. Now, there's a chance he can make the left-hand side. We'll see. And he may not really try to push it real hard because he doesn't want to break anything, because we do have Mount Mayhem event coming up soon. And there's no point in breaking your machine today and then not being able to participate in the events, because he loves participating in those events, man. They are so much fun. Looks like he's bottomed out completely. Yep. I wouldn't do that. It's going to hit you towards the tree if you do that. Alright, I think I'm going to stop the video here. We're definitely going to have more footage from this ride coming up because things got a little spicier in the coming up videos. Here's a little preview.